Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are talking about using epay wood for your decking project. I want to let you know what to expect when choosing epay for your project. As always, if during the video you have a question about epay use, go ahead and throw that into the comments. And of course, if you are enjoying this content and you find it helpful, please subscribe. So first off, if you've already started your research, you've already seen that epay is definitely more expensive than traditional lumber products. Even compared to cedar, which is considered a premium decking product, epay will be at least double in cost. So there is going to be some initial sticker shock when shopping for epay. Besides being a more expensive material, everything about using epay for your deck is more difficult and more expensive. Moving the wood around is more difficult because it's so heavy. You even need to use carbide tip drill bits and special saw blades when using epay for a decking project. I guess that leads to the question of why would anyone want to choose epay for their decking project? Well, first off, epay is a gorgeous looking product. Initially, epay has a beautiful, rich appearance, kind of a reddish brown tone, and over time you can maintain the epay to keep that reddish brown tone, or you can let it silver out over time. Either way, it's just absolutely beautiful. If you stick with that reddish brown tone or that beautiful silver, you can go either way, it looks great. So if you're looking for a beautiful high impact finish for your deck, epay certainly fits the bill. Epay is also extremely durable. It's bug resistant, it's resistant to rotting out, it's fire resistant, scratch resistant, and it doesn't even splinter very easily. And it also makes a great surface to walk barefoot on, since the epay doesn't retain that heat from the sun. With proper care and maintenance, you can expect an epay deck to last up to 75 years, which is absolutely insane. And it also means that by the time you need to replace this epay deck, it's going to be somebody else's problem. You do need to maintain the epay on a regular schedule. Use oil formulated specifically for epay and apply very light coats of oil on a clean and dry surface. During the first 18 months of its life as a deck, you need to apply the oil on the surface about 3 times. After that, you need to get on a schedule of cleaning and oiling about once a year. So from a maintenance standpoint, epay is very easy to take care of. One thing to keep in mind when you're purchasing epay is that epay is sourced from the rainforest. And when you're shopping, you need to be a responsible consumer to make sure your epay is coming from a responsible source. When epay trees are responsibly grown in managed forests, the harvested wood gets a stamp of approval from the Forest Stewardship Council, which means the epay is FSC certified. If you're looking for a beautiful, high impact, and unique looking deck, epay can certainly be a great option for your home. Yes, it is more expensive and it is more difficult to work with, but the durability and the longevity of epay makes it a great investment. If you have any questions about epay and using epay on your deck, leave those in the comments. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.